Hello each and everyone, it's me Momo Jimbo. How are you guys? Today you guys watching my video on Facebook. So thank you so much for being with me. So today our video is based on how to the Monlam Bodyig download and install in our MacBook. So many people ask me about it. That's why today I'm making this video for you guys. I hope this video will be very interesting video and it will be being very helpful to you guys. So okay, you have to pass open your browser which you usually use. So I'm going to use the Google. So you have to write over here like the monlam it.com, monlamit.com, and this is the like Monlam's website, and you have to click over here. You can see over here this is the Monlam website, and there's like Monlam Bodyig software, and also they mentioned like the Monlam dictionary. If you want Monlam dictionary, then you can download from this website. So Monlam Bodyig, about Monlam Bodyig here, Monlam Bodyig 3 for Windows, Monlam Bodyig 3 for MacBook. So we need Monlam Bodyig 3 for MacBook. So we're gonna click over here. Okay, so my software is downloaded over here. It's already downloaded. Yeah, it's depend on your net. So you have a good net, then it will be download in very quick. So yeah, today my net is a little bit okay. So it was downloaded in very quick. Okay, so then you have to go over here and download section. So you can see over here Monlam Bodyig is already downloaded in here. So just you have to click on this folder. You can see here is two software. Yeah, we need two software. One's for the Monlam Bodyig and one's for the Monlam Bodyig keyboard. These both softwares comes together. So once you download the Monlam Bodyig, then you will get like this both software, and this both software is very like essential for each other. Okay, so first we have to click like Monlam Bodyig over here. So yeah, it will be like a stack on the normal software. So you can see over here this is like our main Monlam Bodyig software. So you have to click over here. Sometimes it shows like that. That time you have to go your setting, and in setting like privacy and the security, you have to click over here and go down, go down, then, and yeah, here you can see like the open anyway. So you have to click open anyway. So they are showing like that. So open anyway, and you have to use your password for MacBook. Okay, okay, so you can see over here, right? So now our Monlam Bodyig software is going install. So you have to click like the like continue and install, and yeah, here you have to use password once again for safety. 160, okay, and install software. So like that you have to go whole over here, and once we come over here, then your software is done. Then okay, now I don't need to I'm not going to the like install my software, because I already that install software in my MacBook. So yeah, you can go over here like this until summary, and once we done it, then you have to go to our next Monlam Bodyig keyboard software, because without Monlam Bodyig keyboard software we can't write Monlam Bodyig in our MacBook. So second, we have to like abstract this Monlam Bodyig keyboard software to normal software like that. Okay, so you can see over here, right? So yeah, you have to click same over here. It's okay, no problem. You can see what is the same like the method. So you have to click the install until summary. Then once you reach at the summary, then yeah, your Monlam Bodyig keyboard is already installed in your MacBook. So now you can write your Monlam Bodyig in your MacBook. I will show you it's work or not. So okay, I'm gonna open the Microsoft Word. Monlam Bodyig software is done. Okay. Okay, hello, and it's mapped to the okay. So then you have to see over here, going to the like you can see my Monlam Bodyig software is already showing over here, and if you are not showing over here, then you have to go down in M side. So M, okay, M. So you can see my the whole Monlam Bodyig font mentioned over here. So you have to select the which you are gonna use for the like your writing. So I'm going to choose this one, Monlam Bodyig Uchen 2, like that, and you have to choose your like the font size. So yeah, he like I'm gonna choose the 18, and then you can write over here like the track 18. Oh no. Yeah, then you have to like, oh, it's very important. So you have to choose your keyboard. You can see over here there's like the two keyboard. One is for the English and one is for the just give me just a minute like that. that. Okay, you can see over here, right? He has a two keyboard. One is for the English and one is for the Monlam Bodyig. If when you write the like the Tibetan word, so you have to choose this keyboard, Monlam Bodyig keyboard. So once you choose the Monlam Bodyig keyboard, then you can write Tibetan like the font in your MacBook. Okay, so like you can see like that. So yeah, yeah, like that you can use your you can like to download and install Monlam Bodyig in your MacBook. Is very easy. You don't need to do anything. Just if you don't know about it, you just follow my video step by step until finish. Then yeah, then you can know how to download and install Monlam Bodyig in your MacBook. So my video is not only on the Monlam Bodyig yeah, keyboard and Monlam Bodyig software. I already made so many video about the like technology. If you want to see this video, then you have to go in my Facebook and video section. You can see the old video, and I hope this old video will be being helpful to you guys. And yeah, today my video is about like that. So thank you so much for being with me, and we will see you once again with one new content. So guys, bye bye, see you later.